going to the southernmost part of Bengal, and this is a local train that we have taken, so there is a lot of commotion, a lot of fights. There's a lot of activities happening inside. Yeah, I think we have almost passed through 15 to 16 stations and junctions, and there's still a lot left. So, the end destination of this particular train is Namkhana, but that is not our destination today because we are going somewhere else. So, it is almost 3 hours since we departed from Shialda station, and hopefully we should be reaching Namkhana in about the next 15 minutes if all is on track.
We have finally reached Namkhana station and it's 10:21 in the morning. From here, we will be taking a local Toto to our final destination, which is Bokhali.
We are finally at Bokhali, and that was the destination today. From Shialda to Namkhana and then to Bokhali. We are on the way to the beach, so you'll find some touristy space and food stuff here. The beach ahead of us. So let's go to the beach. Thankfully, we are here at an off season, so you will not find it very crowded, but it will gain momentum as peak summer rises. So if you want to come to Bokhali, this is the best time. The Bokhali has been one of the most popular tourist spots for Bengali, especially for a very long time, especially when people have to choose their destinations for summer vacations. And it's a seaside, so you come here for a day or like overnight, 2 days with your family, friends, etc. And we are still trying to find water. Still can't find water. It's all land and sand and people, albeit less. So we can finally see the water level, and if you see people running, jumping and running towards the water, you will see the enthusiasm and excitement that they have, because this is the only cool speck in this terrible heat. Yes, it is a scorching weather, and people are swimming, they are jumping, they are playing.
Before going inside the water, remove your shoes and keep them at a safe spot away from the shore. Fold your pants if you're not wearing shorts. Even better, carry a change with you. And most importantly, always venture in safe zones when you are in the water. If you notice high waves or high tides, it is better to back up a bit. Also observe how people play, swim, build sandcastles or pet furry friends nearby. Next, it was time for a quick lunch break and we ate a simple yet satisfying meal of rice, dal, jhur-jhure aloo bhaja and chicken before heading towards our second destination, Henry's Island. The path took us through the tiny bylanes of the village dotted with blooming flower gardens, people going about their daily chores and interesting constructs of local houses.
So after a hearty lunch, we have come to see Henry's Island, and we are still on the way. So it takes about 2 to 3 minutes from where you can actually park your car or Toto or bike to the Henry's Island beach, and it looks like it is autumn here. If you can just see the leaves and hear the waves. Wow, it seems fall has come before. Color of the leaves are reddish, orangish, yellowish, and this color continues throughout. By the way, these are mangroves, and you should check our website to know 5 topmost mangrove tourism destinations in India. And this is Henry's Island. The time right now is 2 p.m. So you will see a very harsh sun.
As the mercury rises, visiting Bokhali is one of the most preferred place for weekend summer getaways in a pocket pinch. To break down our expense, you can see how we can actually go about it in an under rupees 1000 per person to spend a day in Bokhali. Should you like to spend a few nights here, then there are several guest houses, homestays, and a government accommodation which could cost you a very minimal amount for a day. So, be it with friends, be it with families or cousins, if you are looking to enjoy a serene weekend this summer, then Bokhali can just feature on your list to visit.
So this was all about our visit to Bokhali right before the summer peak season settles in and everybody starts making their plans to come here. And as the sun sets over these wonderful green fields, we hope to be back again with another travel vlog very soon. If you have anything specific that you want us to vlog on, any specific place, then let us know in the comments below, and keep following, subscribing and liking our content on Indulge Express video. Thank you.